make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392, and today we are getting something special done to Octane Red over here. So we're getting something done to the trunk. It's something I've wanted since I got the car. I've always had music in my cars. Now I'm going to finally have some music in this car, and not just any music, some pretty exclusive stuff. So we're gonna walk in and show you guys the mastermind behind this build, and it's all from scratch. That's all things cool about this. It's gonna be one of one boxes. Got it. Everybody got custom boxes, but this one gonna be mine. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to Kevin. Also, he is the brainchild behind JNP Motorsports. So here we go. Kevin, what you got to say to your potential clients out there?
If you love bass, you're in the right place. Yeah.
That's simple. It's that simple.
We build bass.
Right quick. That's all you get to see. That's all it's going to you get to see.
We build custom boxes so that you can maximize your trunk space and not lose your trunk space, so that when you actually need it, you got it, but you still got your bass, and you don't got to worry about that.
Ooh, look at something in that plastic wrapping over there, right there. Right next to the one with the blue tape on it. It's that extra sauce right there gonna be in the box. Ooh, woo. Give you guys a little before. So, you may be wondering what I got in my car. So we got MTX Audio, went with an MTX amp, MTX subs, 12-inch subs, and the rest this guy puts together. We got MDF, got that from Home Depot. Some of the materials you're looking to get or use for your box, we went with MDF, and the wall we're doing gonna have fiberglass in it, just so you know. So, and stay tuned, here we go.
I'ma make it burn. 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 I murder with my lyrics. Beat is so hard, I ain't got a fake. I can make the earthquake. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Murder, 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 murder. Murder, 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 murder. Put a little bit of shit, get a little bit of you. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get hot, get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime. I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn. Let's go. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn. Let's go. I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn.
A message to the old and young, and a message to the old and young, and a message to the old and young. Teased about where I come from. I've been
hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!